Hey there, YouTube. I wanted to do an update on my Ecosphere that I did a couple weeks ago. I was hoping to seal up the jar in this update, but I think I'm going to wait a little longer because based on my experience with my no maintenance aquarium, I really do think snails are an important component here just to keep things clean. Here you'll see that I went back out to the same stream to get more stuff for the jar, particularly algae or things covered with algae, hoping that I would catch some snails. My only guess though is that it was too early in the season or just the wrong location to get snails because I didn't get a single one. And here's that rock that I collected from the stream on my second trip. It's definitely producing some oxygen, so that's good. One interesting development is it looks like the planarians are reproducing asexually. I found this little thing, which at first I thought was just a really tiny planarian, which I guess is correct because I found this other piece, which I guess was the head of the original planarian, and that tail piece was the new one. They weren't moving much for about a day, but now they're just part of the planarian population. And one last thing I want to note about the ecosystem that's developing, it looks like the bacteria in the substrate are doing pretty good. They're producing a lot of gas, which is a good sign. I assume it's just part of the nitrogen cycle. So that's it for the commentary. I will do another update when I hopefully seal the jar for real and this becomes a true ecosphere. But now that it's starting to get warm where I live finally, I do want to try one more time to get some snails. And with that, I'll just leave you with some cool shots. You'll see mostly planarians and a ton of cyclops. They've definitely reproduced a lot.